The screen that you're seeing now is what we call the central console of compliance. This screen loads all the data that you would want to see on an application, on a client. It could be a corporate structure or an individual, such as retail banking or a player in gaming. This screen loads all the aspects that compliance would want to see into one centralized portal. This screen here shows on the left-hand side the client you're handling, the corporate structure with unlimited entities within the structure itself. It shows all the workflows, who has access to what, who is working on the application, statuses, amount of PEPs in the structure, which is calculated automatically. It shows the real-time perception of risk, which changes based on the entity you're on. Risk is calculated in real time. It calculates risk every 10 seconds on all the subjects in the system. The system also shows all the aspects of workflow, the data that you need to collect, who is working on what. The fourth column also shows, based on the tabs up here, the detail in place, such as the notes section, which is a full timeline and audit of whatever is happening on this application, who worked on what, who did what. In documents, the system loads all the documentation that you have related to this particular entity or application. With the ability to obviously see the documents, it handles anything from scans to documents themselves, such as PDFs, Office documents, etc. There are more detailed features on documents which we'll show in a separate video. The checklist, which shows all the aspects that need to be done on this subject at any point in time, calculated automatically by the system. This includes tasks that you would have defined in the configuration panel based on onboarding or review. It handles questionnaires such as source of funds, source of wealth, etc., and the documents that need to be collected on the subject. In this central console, there is also the concept of face-to-face, where the system allows you to conduct direct, instant face-to-face videos with subjects. The entire history is also recorded in the system itself, with the ability to play back any type of video, storing your agent as well as the client. In the central console as well, clients opt to embed, to integrate the screening services, the ability to search subjects, the ability to hook up with third-party providers for the searching of PEPs, adverse media, sanctions, etc. This system can be hooked up with any supplier that you would like. In this central console as well, the system loads for the agents the notifications that are alerted on this application. And notifications can vary from anything from document expiry, pending reviews, scoring changes. There are more videos on each of these in the portal. Thank you.